So guys, today we are going to create an video calling app. You can consider it as a Zoom clone. So basically we will be creating this app with the help of Jitsi SDK. It is very easy to implement Jitsi SDK on your app. It will only take 10 to 12 lines of code to integrate the Jitsi SDK. Let me first show you the demo of Android app that we will be creating. You can see on the left hand side. So basically we will create one splash screen and dashboard activity, and then we will integrate our Jitsi SDK. As you can see, Jitsi SDK has many features. So one more thing is important. If you're a beginner and watching this for first time, I haven't used drag and drop features of Android Studio. So please go through the documentation that I have provided in description so you can understand what I am doing in coding, because I haven't used drag and drop. So let's meet in next tutorial.